feels strange. I'll tell you one thing, this is way different than driving the GSX-S. It's like down and over. It's very strange. It is nice to have some kind of protection from a naked bike to a sport touring. It's probably really hard for the camera to pick it up, but this exhaust is unreal. How loud the pops and bangs are, or even on a stock system. So the guy previous did a lowering system on this. I don't know why, maybe short inseam or something, but the bike rides a lot different than it should. So we're going to put that back to stock height. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but it is unreal. And I heard these with exhaust on them before he bought this, and I was like, no way, this thing sounds like a Pops and Bangs tune on one of them there rice burners. I don't think I have any complaints for this bike when I drove it. Only complaint was the ride was too short. It's very windy today. Not a huge fan of that, but shout out to Purple Panda, honestly, because when I drive out here and it's really windy and I'm like, man, I hope this video is not ruined, it's actually really nice how much it blocks away. I know it's in a helmet, but still you can hear a lot of wind noise, but that really cuts all that out. Also, this Triumph's made in England, I forgot. Good eye, mate. So before we came to Florida, it was all, you know, come down here, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be 60, 70. Yeah, well, ever since we got here, it's been 40s, 40, 50, maybe got to 60, which is, that's fine. But hearing from all these Florida people around here, this is the coldest it's ever been in years, and I'm like, of course. We come down here and bring all the cold weather with us. It should be getting nice here in a few weeks. It's just, it sucks to wait. Kind of weird talking in the future. Like, I think it's almost February, and this video is probably not going to be out for another couple weeks. But if you're noticing that the videos are taking a while to be uploaded, I'm kind of working on a new intro. If I ever do make it big, which we all hope to do that one day, I'm not trying to have my money taken from me because of some song. Shoo, boy, it's a little frigid. Little frigid. This bike is kind of nice too, because, you know, spaghetti and meatballs aren't up on the tank the whole time, so that's nice. You hit a bump and you feel like you bruised them, which is not good. Can't damage spaghetti and meatballs. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate everyone's support lately on the channel. Anything you guys do is support, whether you're viewing, liking, commenting, subscribing, I appreciate it all. For those who are new and like to stick around, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.